Lenovo continues to redefine the tablet experience with its latest release, the Lenovo Tab P12. Combining sleek design, powerful internals, and cutting-edge features, this tablet is poised to offer users an immersive and versatile computing experience. In this video, we'll delve into the specifications and features of the Lenovo Tab P12, highlighting what sets it apart in the competitive tablet market. The Lenovo Tab P12 boasts a sizable 12.7-inch display with a resolution of 3K, ensuring crisp and vibrant visuals. The use of IPS LCD technology enhances color accuracy and provides wide viewing angles, making the tablet ideal for a variety of tasks from productivity to media consumption. The 60 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and responsive touch interactions, although some users might have hoped for a higher refresh rate, especially for gaming or content consumption that benefits from a more fluid experience. The flat display design adds a modern touch, minimizing reflections and maximizing the usable screen space. Whether you're working on documents, streaming videos, or engaging in creative tasks, the Lenovo Tab P12's display delivers an immersive and enjoyable experience. With a slim profile measuring just 6.9 mm and dimensions of 293.3 x 190.7 mm, the Lenovo Tab P12 strikes a balance between portability and screen real estate. The tablet's design is sleek and modern, making it visually appealing for users who appreciate aesthetics alongside performance. The storm gray launch color adds a touch of sophistication, catering to those who prefer a device that reflects a sense of style. The decision to include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor not only enhances security, but also contributes to the tablet's streamlined appearance by eliminating the need for a front-facing physical home button. At the heart of the Lenovo Tab P12 is the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset. This octa-core processor is designed to deliver a balance of performance and efficiency, making it well-suited for a range of applications. Whether you're navigating through apps, running demanding games, or engaging in productivity tasks, the Dimensity 7050 provides the necessary horsepower. The octa-core architecture, which includes a mix of high-performance and power-efficient cores, allows the tablet to handle various workloads efficiently. This results in a responsive user experience, with swift app launches, seamless multitasking, and smooth navigation throughout the Android 13 interface. Complementing the robust chipset is the 8GB LPDDR4X RAM, providing the tablet with ample memory for handling multiple applications simultaneously. The generous RAM capacity ensures that users can switch between apps effortlessly, keeping performance consistently snappy. With 128GB of internal storage, the Lenovo Tab P12 offers a substantial amount of space for apps, media, documents, and other files. Additionally, the inclusion of a microSD slot provides users with the flexibility to expand storage further, accommodating growing digital content libraries. The tablet features an 8MP main camera, capable of capturing detailed images and recording videos in up to 4K resolution at 30 frames per second. While tablets are not typically known for being primary photography devices, the inclusion of a capable main camera on the Lenovo Tab P12 extends its functionality beyond productivity and media consumption. The 4K video recording capability is particularly noteworthy, allowing users to capture high-resolution videos for various purposes, such as vlogging, video calls, or documenting important moments. While the camera specifications may not compete with flagship smartphones, they offer a reliable imaging solution for tablet users. On the front, the Lenovo Tab P12 features a 13MP ultra-wide camera. This camera configuration is well-suited for video calls, providing a broader field of view to include more people in the frame. The higher resolution of the front-facing camera compared to the main camera is a thoughtful design choice, acknowledging the increasing importance of video communication and conferencing in today's digital landscape. While the camera specifications of the Lenovo Tab P12 may not rival those of dedicated smartphones, they offer a well-rounded imaging solution for a tablet. The emphasis on video capabilities, especially 4K recording, makes the tablet suitable for various creative and communication purposes. One standout feature of the Lenovo Tab P12 is its audio system, which includes JBL quad stereo speakers. JBL is renowned for delivering high-quality audio experiences, and the inclusion of quad stereo speakers on this tablet is a testament to Lenovo's commitment to providing immersive sound. The Lenovo Tab P12 is equipped with a range of connectivity options to ensure seamless interaction with other devices and networks. The tablet supports Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG AC6, providing fast and reliable wireless internet connections. This is particularly important for streaming high-definition content, online gaming, and other data-intensive activities. The Lenovo Tab P12 is equipped with a substantial 10-200 mAh battery. This high-capacity battery is designed to deliver long-lasting performance, ensuring that users can go through a full day of productivity, entertainment, and other activities without constantly worrying about running out of power. The combination of a sizable battery and fast charging support ensures that the Lenovo Tab P12 strikes a balance between longevity and convenience. Users can enjoy extended usage without sacrificing the ability to quickly recharge when necessary. The generous battery capacity is particularly beneficial for users who rely heavily on their tablets for various tasks, from work-related activities to media consumption and gaming. The Lenovo Tab P12 aims to provide a reliable and consistent power source to keep up with diverse user demands. To complement its large battery, the Lenovo Tab P12 supports 30W fast charging. This feature is designed to minimize downtime and quickly replenish the tablet's battery when needed. Fast charging is especially advantageous for users with busy schedules, allowing them to top up the battery quickly before heading out or during short breaks. In addition to battery capacity and charging speed, the efficiency of the tablet's hardware and software plays a crucial role in determining overall battery life. The integration of power-efficient components, coupled with optimization in the Android 13 operating system, contributes to maximizing the Lenovo Tab P12's battery life. The Lenovo Tab P12 stands out as a powerful and feature-rich tablet, combining a high-quality display, robust performance, and innovative features. Whether you're a professional seeking a productivity tool or an entertainment enthusiast, this tablet offers a versatile solution. With its impressive specifications and elegant design, the Lenovo Tab P12 is set to make waves in the tablet market, providing users with a top-tier Android 13 experience. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.